Viewers and friends, today I am back with another video. Today my video is how to clean a very dirty car, especially when you have traveled a long trip. You see how dirty your car has become. I was on a seaside visit for the last 2 days and the car is full of dust and mud. We have carried our food articles, so there is spillover on the luggage boot. Also inside you can see the car inside also. So I will clean up all this one by one and show you how to restore your car again like a shiny new one. So my first job will be to dust these loose particles with the help of this brush. These are the condition of the foot mats. So you see, totally full of mud. The tires, the wheel arches, the bonnet area, each and everywhere there is traces of thick dusty layer. So all this I will do one by one. Why I am making this video? There has been lot of questions from my viewers whether I should apply any wax or any protective film after washing. Definitely in this type of wash I will need a particular protectant because I will be foam washing this car. So definitely in a foam wash a few layer of your coating gets erased. So I will top it up with the help of a coating. It may be a graphene, it may be a ceramic, it may be seal and shine. So any of the wax you can use. So let's start the project. So the inside has been cleaned thoroughly. In this type of cases the vacuum cleaner is very effective. I will also clean the boot. Into brush mere now. Loosen the dust first with the help of a brush. So the entire vacuuming job is complete. Now my first job will be to clean all the wheel arches with pressure washer. Now কাছে গিয়ে করুন. I will always suggest you to invest in a good pressure washer as the job will be very easy for you to clean this type of situations. Like this I will clean all the wheel arches. Clean the entire body area. In this type of situation I am not going for any dusting as the layer of dust is very thick, and in this type of situation dusting is not recommended. It's best practice to clean it with a pressurized water. So I will follow this step. The entire car. Now my next job will be to apply a shampoo. You can use any car shampoo, but in this case I will be using a ceramic coated shampoo so that the ceramic coating is not affected with this type of foam wash. So I am using this particular ceramic shampoo. Now I have used a separate gun for this foam shampoo application. These are called foam cannons, and I will give you all the links if you are interested to buy all these products. Scrub gently the entire car so that if any stubborn dust remains are there, that will be washed off. If you don't, actually you will find in some people's car, even after 1 year, the car looks very shabby. What is the reason? They don't maintain and they don't go for proper upkeep of their exterior and interiors. So within a year or two, the car looks a old car like 10 years old. So this type of maintenance is necessary. If you can't do it yourself, you should take the help of a professional car wash centers who are also doing this job at a price. So all these areas I have cleaned with that moist wash mitt with this particular shampoo. All the door sill areas I have covered with moist wash mitt. Now the next step will be to wash the shampoo traces from the car body. So the washing part has been completed. I have totally eliminated the traces of soap from the car body. Now what I will do, as a standard practice, I will use any type of wet wax. What is the advantage of wet wax? You did not go through all this polishing process. I will just apply wet wax on the car body and finally wipe it off and clean it with the help of a dry microfiber cloth. Favorite products, and I always apply this particular product after an extensive washing. So what it does, it restores your ceramic or whatever you are having and adds not only an extra shine, but it prolongs your protection. So this is very simple. Just apply and wipe it down. Let's go to the other side. Particular product to the entire body at a time. Do panel by panel. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to buff. Although this product doesn't require that much of buffing, but still, because you have to wipe it off after applying immediately. In case of glass, what I will do after wiping this car entirely dry, with this cloth I will clean the glasses and you will see how shiny it will become. Remember, in this type of job, you need two types of cloth. One is for wiping and another one is for buffing. That is very important. Entire body work is complete. Now I will take care of the glasses. Cloth, I will clean all the glasses. In fact, applying this layer. In fact, this particular cloth is fully dipped with ceramic wax, so I don't need any additional sprays. So no streaks formation. There is no risk of streak formation. দেবো আজকে দেবো already it's very smooth now. So like this I will do to this technique to all the glasses.
তো
শুধু কালো।
তো
You can apply tire polish also to all these black areas. Advantage is that it's a bit thick consistency, but it stays for longer period, and since it's a rubber based polish, you need not worry, so nothing will happen to all these rubber parts. In fact, they will stay better. Black areas have been taken care of, so the entire job is complete. Let me show you how the car looks now. Finally the job is finished, and you see how the car looks after our washing procedure. Absolutely looks like a showroom finish car, and it took around 2.5 hours to 3 hours to finish our job. The interiors, completed my job, and if you think this video is useful, and if you want to clean your car like this, you can easily do it. I will always prefer a pressure washer for this type of heavy soil jobs. And if you have any comments regarding this procedure, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I am always ready to answer all your questions. So thanks for watching, and do subscribe. Thank you very much.